In front of me is OnePlus Nord to 5G, and let me show you how to change language on this device. So first of all, you need to open the list of all apps, go to settings then, and locate additional settings. And here you've got language and region, so just mark it, and by selecting add a language, you can pick whichever language you only want to apply. So let me choose Filipino, and now you need to slide it to the first place to make it the default one. Click on change to Filipino if you truly want it to be your default language, and as you can see from now on, the whole device is in Filipino. And whenever you would like to change this language one more time, just select languages and input, tap on more icon, and remove unnecessary languages, and then slide up with the language that you would like to set as default and just confirm it. So this is it, that would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.